What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I'm going to be giving you my first impressions of the Intelligence Prime Capital opportunity. That's right, I have a new program for you guys. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's get right into it. I've had a lot of people telling me about Intelligence Prime Capital, and I actually got some positive reviews from a trusted source. So I decided to take a good look at this program. This is my first impressions. I don't want to do this program any disservice, but I wanted to get this information out to you guys. So if I sound like I'm just looking at this information for the very first time, I am, right? I want you to understand that I'm looking at this information. I've gotten some information from trusted resources. So I'm going to use that information plus what I reviewed today to make a decision on what I really like about it. Of course, you guys know that I'll jump in on the program, test it out, make sure it works the way that it's supposed to work, see if it's going to be a great program for us to earn some passive returns. You know that's what I'm all about. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. This is their presentation, which is a really long presentation, guys. I do presentations all the time, and this is a pretty long, but it's pretty in-depth. So I'm like, okay, I'll deal with that, right? Now, I want you guys to listen to the whole video or watch the whole video, because at the end, I'm going to show you how to enroll as well. So I'll show you how to enroll in this at the end of the video. So make sure you stay around, okay? So Intelligence Prime Capital is the future of fintech and foreign exchange trading, right? That's exactly what they say, okay? So I like the name. I like the little slogan or whatever. So that's cool, but let's jump right into it, right? Let's see what this company is all about, okay? Now, here is the disclaimer, which I like to go through these. I don't want anything to happen to the company or even on my YouTube channel. It's me presenting the information today, so I want to make sure I cover myself as well. I've read through this disclaimer. The words are not exactly the way that I like, but you know, we're going to go through it anyway. The information provided to you during or after this presentation should at all times be considered general information concerning about Forex trading. Under no circumstances should this presentation be considered as any type of solicitation, investment, or financial advice. Past performance is not indicative of future results. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before deciding to invest in foreign exchange, you should carefully consider your investment objectives, level of experience, and risk appetite. The attendees or viewers need to evaluate the risk inherent to participating on their own behalf. We suggest that you seek the advice of a suitably qualified professional who can help you take the relevant decisions after evaluating your personal and financial situation. Your continued attendance at this meeting indicates your acceptance of the terms above. Okay, we got through that risk disclaimer. Hopefully you guys paid attention to that. You really understand what all of that means. Now let's go into it. The world's largest financial market, Forex, we already know that. 800 million USD turnover. We know this is an incredible market, foreign exchange. We participate in this, so we know about that. I'm not going to go through all of that information. They talk about some of the things, some of the highlights of the Forex market here, 24 hours operation. It says 7 days a week. Forex is actually operating 5 days a week, so they need to update that, I believe, right? Convenient transactions no matter where you are. That's good. Flexible leverage. That's actually good. Low thresholds. It's possible to start trading with a very small amount. I like that. High transparency. Pretty cool. Two-way transaction. Traders can hold long and short positions. High liquidity. $6 trillion a day. Very, very liquid. Huge transaction volume. All of that's great about the foreign exchange market, right? How to choose the right trading method. There's personal trading, copy trading, and AI analysis system trading, which I believe is the hot point for Intelligence Prime Capital. I don't think people are really interested in a lot of other things that the company is doing, but you know, I had to go over that anyway. It says this is available in 10 countries, right? We are proud to serve users and enterprises from over 10 countries. right? That's an incredible thing. It does state in here, when I was reading it, that IP Capital is a Canadian company that has obtained its regulatory license from the Canadian Financial Regulatory Agency. In 2021, IP Capital will officially launch their global financial products, so it's a very new program. They have an AI analysis trading system. The AIA bot system works by aggregating market information, transaction volume, and other relevant data to accurately predict market trends. After several months of testing, the AIA bot system has achieved an average win rate of 97%, which is really good. No complaints there. I like that. I don't even try to figure out how they do it. They have the artificial intelligence to do it. So let's see if they actually can prove that they're doing what they say they can do. Right now, we have users and companies from 10 countries, including United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Singapore, Hong Kong, Taiwan, China, Nigeria, Cameroon, and Ghana. Okay, that's great. Now we see their incorporation document here, which shows their Canadian registration certificate. That's cool. And we have the Financial Transactions and Reports of Analysis Center of Canada, FINTRAC. So we got that information here. FINTRAC registry details, they show that in the presentation. The FINTRAC registry search details, the money services business, shows this information right here. I have not had the time to evaluate this and validate this information, but this is what they say they have. They have the U.S. Digital Asset Regulatory License, talking about the money services business license. So they're saying that they have this Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, Department of Treasury, U.S. Digital Asset Regulatory License right here. This is the registration information. They list that here as well. Here is the COO of Intelligence Prime Capital, Mr. Walter Stephan. Now, they're saying he studied at the School of Economics and Political, and he has a master's degree in finance and accounting. That's what they're saying here. He's expert in the financial industry. Of course, we're not able to validate most of this information, but we have to go off of what the company says, unless we do our own independent research, which I have not been able to do that as of yet. But we're just going to go off of what's in the presentation now. Then we have the CMO, Dr. Val NGSH, I guess. I don't know how they're pronouncing that. But he has years of experience in the financial industry, leading traditional business and financial technology companies. Has great knowledge, a wide variety of financial investment products, from precious metals, CFDs, Forex, cryptocurrencies to business processes. Okay. They're saying all of that stuff. That's great. They have that available as well. World-class platform, MT4. We're familiar with MetaTrader 4, so I'm not going to go over that there. Most of us are familiar with that. Why choose IP Capital? Now we're getting into the meat and potatoes of this. It's a wide variety of trading products, including commodities, Forex, cryptocurrencies, and indices. 24/7 market trend and analysis. Trade with the International MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 4 program. Provide users with AI analysis system with accuracy of 97%. Excellent customer service. Real-time market analysis. Fully registered and compliant R&D team with many years of professional experience. Accepts digital currency as payment. Really nice, right? Personal trading mode is going to include professional customer service, real-time market analysis, coverage of international news, provision of trading courses, access to trading competitions, access to trading strategies of top traders. I haven't, went in and looked at all of this, but this is what's in the presentation. So hopefully you guys are checking this out. Now, there's 3 types of the artificial intelligence analysis bot system, right? Now, the AI analysis trading system, there's the smart bot, the brilliant bot, and the genius bot. Now, when I was talking to some of my other trusted resources, they were saying that they like the genius bot, and the genius bot is the one we should go for. Has up to 45% per month returns, and it has been performing very well. This is the one, the analysis speed is all the way up. It's even saying on here that it's hot. I don't know what any of the other bots do. I will go with the Genius bot. There's also a special going on right now. I think it's until the end of the year, where it's not $99 for the year. It is $49 for the year, which is really good, right? Half price. Now, intelligence analysis to make trading more efficient. That's what the bots do. They have the different analysis system, built-in trading analysis system. I'm not going to go into this, guys, because most of you are not interested in that information. If you're following my channel, you're interested in passive income through an incredible program. Manual trading, AI analysis. I'm just going through this stuff here, guys. We're not even going to really pay attention to this. But IP Capital, a platform suitable for all types of traders, personal trading, copy trading, and AI analysis system. They go over their core values here. Like I said, this is a long presentation, guys, but I want to show you guys this information about the business model here. Let's get to this, right? The AIA bot system subscription. So it tells you about each bot. The smart bot, $19.90. You get up to 15% returns per month. And then the minimum deposit is $100. The maximum deposit is $300, right? The Brilliant bot is $39.90, up to 30% per month, $100 minimum deposit. Maximum deposit is $1,000. And then we have the Genius bot, which the minimum deposit is $100. You get up to 45% per month, and there's no maximum deposit, right? It's 1 to 4 trades per day, which is really good. If it's going to trade on our behalf, I really like it. Now, here's how it works here. The AIA bot system security deposit. 80% of all new bot deposit amounts will be allocated to the capital account. 20% will be allocated to the AIA bot system security deposit account, and wait for reclaims with interest generated daily, right? All interest generated by the AIA bot system will be allocated for profit sharing, with the allocation of 80 to the investors and the reward account 20% to the company. AIA bot system security deposit can be reclaimed with interest generated and will be allocated to the capital account, which can be withdrawn at any time. All reinvestment amounts will follow the same allocation of 80% for the capital account and 20% for the AIA bot security system deposit account. Now, they said, for example, 20% of every new deposit will be allocated for the AIA bot system security deposit account. If a user deposits $1,000 USDT, 20% or 200 USD will be automatically deposited into the AIA bot system security deposit account. So that's how that works. Now, the AIA bot system bonus, what this is showing is that the AIA bot system bonus applies to the first level of referrals. What that means is people you directly refer. The referrer will receive 10% AIA bot system bonus for any purchase made through direct referrals. The example, if a user refers user B to IP Capital and the user B purchases a Genius bot for $99, the user will receive 10% of the purchase price, which is $9.90. So this is talking about the bot purchase specifically, okay? Now there's a sponsorship bonus. The sponsorship bonus only applies to the first level of referrals. For any AIA bot system subscription, the referrer will receive 10% of the sponsorship bonus. For example, if user A refers user B and user B deposits 1,000 USD for a Genius bot subscription, the user will be rewarded with 10% of the deposit amount, which is $100. So if the bot amount, you're going to get 10% of that. Deposit amount, you're going to get 10% of that as well. Now here's a management bonus as you hit different levels. When you get paid off level 1, that is a 30%. Level 2 is 20%. Level 3 is 10%. Level 4 through 6 is 5%. Level 7 through 9 is 3%. 10 through 14 is 2%. Level 15 through 20 is 1%, right? Now, you get 20 levels deep once you hit the shareholder director level, which means you have $30,000 in personal sales. And you also have $300,000 in group sales, right? The management bonus is based on the ROI generated from AIA bot system subscriptions. All right. Now, 4 steps to earn with IP Capital. Purchase and subscribe to the AIA bot system and start receiving your trading profits. Trading profits are first line. That's what you're going to get, right? Your trading profits. Refer other users, and then you're going to get that system bonus, which is based off of the bot that people purchase. Then you're going to get the sponsorship bonus when people subscribe and they make a deposit. You're going to get a 10% bonus off of that, and you can enjoy up to 20% levels of management bonus once the user achieves a shareholder director ranking. Now, this gives you an example of how this works. Of course, if user A purchases a Genius bot at $99 and also deposits $1,000 to activate it and begins to earn 45% per month, that means that 1,000 times 45% a month is $450 per month. $450 for 6 months will be $2,700 they will earn in 6 months, right? So that's actually really good here. Now, let's say if user A achieves the shareholder director with 30,000 in personal sales and 300,000 in group sales, assuming that user A sponsors 20 users who purchase a Genius bot for $99 and deposits $1,000 each. Each user can receive user A can receive 10% of $99 and $1,000 from each one of them. So you're looking at $2,700. Well, let me break it down. AIA bot system, 20 users times $99 times 10% is $199. Sponsorship bonus is 20 users times 1,000 times 10%, which would be $2,000. And the management bonus would be 20 times 450 times 30% of that. That's $2,700 per month, right? Now, look at this, how much this is. If you directly refer 20 users to fully enjoy the benefits, now the trading profits is $450 per month. The AIA bot system would be paying you out $199.80. Then the sponsorship bonus is $2,000 and the management bonus is $2,700 with a total earnings of $5,349 per month, which is not bad participating in this program, right? Now, you can get up to $5K a month once you reach your individual achievement of your effort. You start doing it like your own business. You start to lead and educate your team. What will you receive monthly, right? Now, let's talk about how you can actually take this to the next level, right? This is with leader achievement, and you're taking this thing all the way. You're going through all the different levels. You're building this thing all the way up to shareholder director. A total amount of management bonus of up to $159,000 USDT a month. I think we can all get excited about that, right? Now, that is the program here, guys. So I wanted to show you guys this. Now I'm going to quickly go through the registration process so you guys can see how you can actually register with this program. So just give me 1 second while I actually get this pulled up here. All right, guys, I am back. When you get the link from the person who referred you to Intelligence Prime Capital, you're going to have to enroll. You're going to come up with a page just like this. Now, if you guys are enrolling with me and you're checking it out because you watch my video, I'm going to drop my link in the description and also in the first comment. In the comment section, I'll pin it there so that you guys will have it there as well, just in case you don't see it in the description. Okay. Now, this is going to be a very simple enrollment process, but I do want you to keep in mind that Intelligence Prime is a registered financial company. So KYC is very important, and it's important that you put accurate information into the system here. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you what you have to do, and then I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to do it myself so I don't expose any of my personal information here. What you're going to have to enter is your email address. Make sure you put an accurate email address. Check it for typos and everything. And then you're going to have to enter your name, your last name, then your first name, your date of birth, your gender, your mobile phone number, right? Your nationality. You're going to actually create a password. Then you're going to hit send. So it sends a verification code to your email. You're going to have to paste that verification code into this box. Then you're going to have to click and say that I've read and agreed to the terms and privacy policy. Make sure you read over that so that you can understand what the terms of use and the privacy policy is all about. Okay, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video so I can get this completed for myself, and then I will be right back afterwards. Okay, guys, now I am back. I have went ahead and completed all the information there on the form, and I actually verified my email. Now I'm going to go back to this page where it should have brought you to for the login, and I'm going to go ahead and log in really quick, and I'm going to see if this brings me into the back office here so that you guys can see this as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. Yep, it did that for me. I'm in the back office. And now it's showing me all this information here, profile. You have to submit your KYC information. So that is very important as well. So make sure you actually go ahead and do this. Okay. So once again, what you have to enter is your registered address. You're going to enter your address and everything in here. You're going to submit your proof of identity. That's going to be your identification document. You want to do the front and back identification of your identification document, whether it's like a driver's license, passport, something like that. And you want to issue that, and then you're going to hit submit before you go any further. Okay, so you want to go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to do that while I'm on the video with you guys right now. So just give me a moment. I will be right back. Okay, guys, I added my KYC information, hit submit. It did spin for a little while, so give that a couple of minutes to go through, but it did finally come back to this page. We'll go over this page in just a second, but I did want you to know that I received an email from the company that stated that, let me go to it so I can tell you exactly. It did say that Intelligence Prime Capital KYC pending approval. So there, my KYC is pending approval right now, right? And I'm just waiting for that verification to go through, and then we should be finalized. Now, it did come up to the screen here that says scammers posing as our customer service representatives have been alerted. And you make sure that you be on the lookout for that. We will never request a payment to resolve a user's issue. Please notify official administrators if you get a private message. We will never provide you with a wallet address to deposit funding, and we will not inquire about a user's login or password. So just make sure you keep that in mind while you're using this platform. Okay. Now let's see. We're going to go ahead and take a look at this. I haven't went around this a lot. So I see that there is where you can share your affiliate link here. I'm guessing after everything is finalized and you've funded your account, you will have the option to share your affiliate link here. Now, let's go through some of the things. We're on the dashboard. I guess there's a section here for subscription. I'm going to click on this to see exactly what happens with this. So when I click on the subscription section, it's spinning for a little while. I don't know if that's my internet connection or if that's something with this. Okay, now it's here where you can subscribe to the Genius bot. And I told you that's the one that I was recommended to subscribe to. And right now there is a special. It's normally $99.90, but now it's $49.90, which you can subscribe to this Genius bot. So I'm going to click on this here to see if it'll let me subscribe to this now. So let's go ahead and hit subscribe. It's asking for the deposit amounts here. And so you can put your deposit amount plus the bot subscription fee. So let's say if I was going to do $100 plus the subscription fee of $49, it should adjust. It did. So it adjusted to $149.90 is what I need to send. And this is the LPOA. So you want to make sure you look at the limited power of attorney here. Make sure you look at this information here, print this out for yourself. Make sure you understand exactly what this is saying here for you. Now, then you have to click the button to say that you have downloaded and you read it and you agree to it. So you can go ahead and click that button if you're ready. Make sure you're at the point where you're ready for that, right? And then you're just going to go ahead and confirm here. Once you confirm, it says the cash wallet balance is sufficient. So is insufficient. So what I'll have to do is to deposit then. Okay. So let me see here. Funding. This is where I need to go. All right. So we're just navigating this thing together. All right. So you can fund the account here with the USDT TRC20, or you can fund this account with a BTC, right? So the Bitcoin. So you choose which one is best for you at this time. I do have some USD TRC20, USDT TRC20. And so I'm going to be sending this over, I believe. And I want to make sure that it doesn't say USDT TR. Oh, yes, it does. All right. Please do not deposit any digital assets except for TRC20 USDT, which I do have some TRC20 USDT that I'm going to send over here in my Clever wallet. So I'm going to send that over to this address here, and then we'll go from there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this address here for this. If you wanted to send Bitcoin, make sure you click over here to Bitcoin and you can send Bitcoin over to this. But I'm going to use some USDT that I have in my Clever wallet. Now, I'm going to go ahead and go over into Clever, and I think I'm going to have to go through the process of switching my Tron out for USDT TRC20, but I'm going to pull up my Clever wallet now. So let's see if we can get that done. Give me just 1 second. And I'm going to try to show you guys this just in case this is the process that you want to use. If not, you can always just send BTC over if that's simple for you. Okay. Now it's showing I have $278 in this wallet. And it's showing $278 in Tron. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap out enough Tron. So I'll just swap out like $160 of Tron for USDT. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So if I go and I click here, right, and then if I go in and see, I'm going to go ahead and go to the swap, and I'm going to swap TRC20 for USDT. And how much USDT do I want to get? I want to get 160. So I want to get $160 of USDT. Hopefully that'll cover any fees or anything. So that is going to be how much I'm going to pay in Tron to actually get this 160. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this swap here. So if you scroll down, you see where it says next, it'll allow me to go to the next screen. And then it's going to say where you're going to send it to my TRX main account. Yep. I wanted to send it there. All right. And I'm going to scroll up and I'm just going to click on the convert now. So I'm going to click on the convert now. I'm going to get this to go through here. It should say your order was placed. Your swap will proceed when the transaction confirms. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and click on got it now. Okay. Now, so it's saying that it's got it. Let's see if it goes over. It's saying that it's doing the swap now. So let me check this out, and I'm going to see if this goes to a confirmed. Sometimes it takes a little while. So I'm going to pause the video until this swap actually confirms, and then I will be right back. All right, guys, so that transaction or the swap finally went through. So now you see where it says I've received it. It went through saying I've received a 159,222 in USDT. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my USDT account here in my main wallet, and let me find USDT here. And I'm going to click on USDT, showing I have 159.20. So I'm going to click on that account. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send USDT. So what I want to do is make sure I've copied this address. So I'm going to copy. The link has been copied. I'm going to go back to my Clever, and then I'm going to send the USDT over that I need to for this transaction. Right. And so it shows here, let's say what the amount is going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and send over my amount, and I'm going to send, it was 149.90. I think it was. I'm going to go ahead and send 151. All right. Something like that, I think. Well, let's say do 155, right? I'm going to send 155 USDT. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit next here. And when I hit next, I'm going to send it to this address here. So I'm going to click in there and I'm going to paste the address. I'm going to make sure that that's the address there. So I'm going to paste that. And then I'm going to click on send, right? So I'm going to send, and I'm going to submit the transaction, and I'm going to send. It says submit the transaction submitted to the network. All right. And so I'm going to wait for this to show up in here. And then I will be right back once this shows up in the platform. All right, guys. So I got an email from Intelligence Prime Capital that says fund deposit request approved. So they approved my deposit request here. And so I'm able to actually purchase the subscription now. They received $155 from me. And that should be enough to cover the bot subscription of $49.90 and my $100 deposit that I'm going to start out with. And so we're going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go and I'm going to click on subscription now. And then I'm going to go ahead and subscribe here. Right. And I'm going to use the Genius bot here, and I'm going to hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to do my deposit amount as $100. Okay. And then I am going to click the download the LPOA, right? And then I'm going to click the button to say that I did download and agree to it. And I'm going to confirm now, and it should take that out of my USDT wallet. So I'm going to click confirm. Let's see if this works as smoothly as it shows. And let's give it just a few moments. While it's doing that, it says I have successfully subscribed. So that part is done. Now, it looks like I just received an email from Intelligence Prime Capital saying that follow trader request approved. And it's also saying internal transfer approved. So I got both of those emails here that's showing what happened. So I like the fact that they do communicate a lot with email. And that's great. Okay. So now I have officially funded the account. Here's a couple of other things I believe is very important is that you go to your profile and you set up your two-factor authentication. You definitely want to do that to protect your account. You don't want anyone getting access to your account who doesn't need to have access to it. Okay. Now it's showing here. I'm going to click out of this, but now on the homepage, it's showing that my MT4 trading capital is $100, and it's also showing me my affiliate link. So keep in mind that I'm going to send this affiliate link. Well, not send it. I'm going to place it in my description and also the first comment. That way, if you're ready to take a look at it, you can check this program out for yourself. I'm going to keep you guys updated on my progress. As always, looks like a pretty promising platform. As I get more familiar with it, then I will tell you guys more about it and what I am excited about. Okay. So guys, hopefully this has been very helpful for you today. I know this is a much longer video than I am used to putting out, but hopefully this provided you with a lot of valuable content. If you have any questions, please drop those in the comments. I will be glad to answer those. Also, you can always shoot me an email. All right, guys, I'm looking forward to working with you all with this program as well. I'm looking forward to helping you all make passive income through the cryptocurrency market. As always, you know what we're going to do. We're going to invest wisely. We will invest well. We will only invest what we are willing to lose. And you know, we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day. And I am out.